Oh, this can do some serious damage if you boink some of this. Hello. So today I will be unboxing Taeyang's merch from his recent world tour, The Light Year. So I got this, the fan and keychain from the concert venue itself. But I couldn't get the light stick at the venue, so I bought it online and it just arrived. Yay! So I will be unboxing them today and trying them out as well. This is the keychain. Oh, there we go. Oh, and it says The Light Year. Well, hey, I didn't know this part was with it. For some reason, I did not see it. The Light Year. Ooh. Ta-da! It's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. Oops. So pretty. Oh my god, I love this. I'm gonna hang this up in my room. And USB-C. Oh yeah. Charging cable. Wait, it comes with his photos. Oh my god. Wow. And instructions. And I believe this is to hang the fan. So I'm gonna unbox this. I'm probably gonna keep the packaging. Oh, it's backwards. Wow. Ta-da! The Light Year. Oh! I got it! Ta-da! Ooh! Ooh! Wow! Oh my god! Oh, this is good! Oh. So I guess we put this around our next.
One eternity later.
I'm confused. Alright, so I watched some videos and I'm starting to think I'm missing the second part of this. So I'm supposed to attach this same piece on both sides and then attach it. But mine only came with one. So guess that's the best we can do for now. Oh. Yeah, so it's supposed to come with this one and another one on this side. Mine only came with one. This side's supposed to attach like this. Oh well. Maybe I can find one online later on. But yeah. This is the fan. Okay, next item. can't wait for this one. Oh my god, oh my god. So this is the packaging. Look at this! All the phases of the moon. And giant sun in the middle. So pretty and shiny. And the back. The black label. It's straight from Korea. Oh, and the same pattern on the other side. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, we'll open this. I love a photo card! Ta-da! Ooh, double-sided. Taeyang strap. And official Lightstick user manual. Alright. Look, it's skins. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this thing's actually really heavy. Oh, this can do some serious damage if you boink some of this. Wow! Look at this, it spins! How do I turn this on? Oh? Do I have to charge? Oh wait, no, batteries, of course. Batteries. Oh. Oh, okay. AAA batteries. Okay, 1 second. Oh, I am so excited. I can't wait to see it light up. I heard this one can change colors too. If I have the app, I believe. Huh. Which way did it come out? We will find out. You know, I'm kind of jealous of the other fandoms who have like these modern light sticks, because us VIPs only have the old version of the light stick, because it was one of the first light sticks ever to come out. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, I put it in the wrong way. Okay, this is the one. Ta-da! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this! Ooh. Oh, look at the color change! Oh my god! It's beautiful! Oh my god! Oh, and it's the shape of a T. Oh, yepo. So pretty. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. Ooh. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, it's orange. Red. Ah, beautiful blue. Ooh, cinnamon. 이제는 안녕 아름다운 우리야. Oh, it's off. Beautiful. Alright, I should turn on the lights again. I forgot to put this on. So I downloaded the app on my phone, and look, it's RGB. So look, I'm gonna change it to pink. Oh my god, pink, purple. You can get all the colors. Oh, this is so cool. And the brightness as well. Look at this. I never had a light stick that could be controlled by app before, so it's like the first to me. Oh, okay, I'm done showcasing. So here's a closer view of it as well. It's so beautiful. And then the two photo frames from the light stick and the fan. The keychain. The light here. And finally the fan. So here's the light here. So that's it for my unboxing video. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. See you guys next time. Na 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 na.